has announced watchOS 27, with the biggest feature being the new AI-infused Siri. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Along with the rest of its ecosystem, Apple says the Siri on your wrist will be able to understand clues from your context and engage with apps. Plus, there's a new dynamic app grid that puts Siri at the heart of the menu, whether you want it there or not. Around that, your most used app shortcuts will be visible, as well as any app Siri thinks you might want to use in a given moment. The second biggest feature announced for watchOS was an update to the Health app for perimenopause and menopause support. If you use your Apple Watch to log your menstrual cycle, the system will monitor your patterns for any irregularities. If it finds anything odd, the system will direct users towards educational material, advising them on next steps and other symptoms to look out for. Rumors also suggested Apple might treat 2026 as a snow leopard year. Rather than debuting glitzy new features, Snow Leopard focused on tidying up what was already in place for more efficient and reliable running. That included looking for bugs, fixing bad code, and reducing file sizes where possible. This ended up being essentially true, but even still, the company added some new features to watchOS 27, including the ability to use its AI Workout Buddy app without being connected to your phone. Finally, Apple is adding a new tap gesture to watchOS 27 to help you navigate your device when your dominant hand is busy. You can tap your index finger and thumb together once to activate the Smart Stack and begin using a widget of your choice. It's an expansion of the tap gesture that they launched back in 2023, which at the time only used double taps of same fingers. watchOS 27 will be available to download this fall like the rest of the OSs. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.